Arrowhead brass PK9006 stem assembly for the 490 series faucets. Now this stem assembly is going to come complete with the packing nut, nylon washer, the brass square with the rubber seat washer, and the Phillips head screw securing that washer. Now with these stems, measured just like any other, from tip to tip. The handle goes on all the way down to the head of the screw. Now the best way we have found to measure them is just to hook your tape measure to the head of that screw and go tip to tip. This one's going to be right at 9 1/4 inches. I'm going to see if I can get a new focus for you all. And once again, this is the Arrowhead brass PK9006 stem assembly.